Hey, it's Top 5 Trey, and today we're diving into the Dreame X50 Ultra, the robot vacuum that promises to do it all. It vacuums, it mops, it cleans itself. It basically wants you to never touch a broom again. Sounds nice, right? But is it actually worth the hype, or is it just another overpriced gadget? Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. Before we get started, if you like honest reviews with no sugarcoating, hit that like button and subscribe for more. And if you've got any thoughts, questions, or even complaints about robot vacuums, drop them in the comments. I want to hear it all. Alright, let's talk about this robot. So, first impressions. This thing looks slick. The design is clean, modern, and doesn't look like a clunky piece of tech you'd want to hide. But of course, we don't buy vacuums for their looks, so let's get into the real deal. One of the best things about the X50 Ultra? It actually takes care of itself. Not only does it empty its dustbin, but it washes and dries its mop heads so you're not left dealing with a gross, damp mess. I'll be real. This is a game changer if you've ever used a robot mop that just smears dirt around like a toddler with a juice box. And speaking of mopping, it's better than most. It doesn't just drag a wet pad across the floor, it actually scrubs. Will it replace a deep clean? Nope. But for everyday dust, spills, and light messes, it's solid. If you've got kids, pets, or just a messy life, this thing keeps things looking fresh without you lifting a finger. Now, let's talk about power. This thing has 7,000 pascals of suction. For context, that's stronger than most robot vacuums on the market. If you've got pets, you already know the struggle of hair getting everywhere, and this vacuum does a solid job of picking it up. Crumbs, dust, random debris, gone. And the navigation? Yo, it's smart, like really smart. It maps out your space so it knows where to clean, where not to clean, and how to be as efficient as possible. But, and this is important, if you've got super dark floors or low furniture, it might struggle a bit. No robot vacuum is perfect, but this one does a good job of not acting like a drunk Roomba. Alright, let's keep it real. Here's the thing. This vacuum is not cheap. If you're just looking for a quick and easy robot vacuum without all the extras, this might feel a little over the top. But if you want set it and forget it convenience, this thing delivers. It actually saves time, and the self-cleaning features mean you're not constantly maintaining it. Also, it's quiet. Way quieter than a traditional vacuum, which is a big plus. The only time it gets loud is when it empties itself, and that's over in like 10 seconds. So, is the Dreame X50 Ultra worth it? If you hate cleaning and want something that truly handles the job for you, then yeah, it's a solid pick. If you're on a budget or don't mind doing a little manual cleaning, you might not need something this advanced. But there you have it. If you're interested in getting this robot vacuum yourself, I left a direct link to the best deals in my description below. So, do your home a favor, scroll down and check it out. What do you think? Are there any other key points you think should have been mentioned? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, you deserve the best and nothing less. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Trust me, out of your top 5 best decisions, this is definitely going to be one of them. Thanks for watching. I hope this review helped you make an informed decision. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, peace out.